Why don't you come with me and the boys? We'll give you a taste of real Ferngully wildlife. Unless, of course, you're not up to it. Zach?
Yeah, we just became richer than the
Anything
king
you
of
could
Spain.
dish out, bud.
The chief and high priest seem a bit, tense.
Buenos dias.
He goes by the name of
All we have to do
I
is
don't
keep
care what he's
playing.
calling himself.
The one
Do you idiots
against
know how many bidders I had on a mazo?
You know, do a little
list
god
of
dance,
puppet
chant some
dictators
mystic
and
mumbo
psychos
jumbo,
as
dazzle
long as
with
my
some smoke and
arm.
mirrors, and then get the hell back to
shot
Spain.
right to hell.
Tulio.
And whose money is that?
Your money.
Spain.
My money. Mine. This score was a game changer.
We really hate to be
Okay,
sending so
Butler.
soon, but,
You may have hoodwinked
some
the
urgent
sponge,
business
but
has
I
come
ain't
up,
no
you know,
pushover.
family matters.
There.
So be by the boom,
You may have hoodwinked the sponge, but I ain't no pushover. There.
Staying with us for the next 1,000 years.
Anyway,
Well,
since
as
you
we say in
didn't
the spirit
steal the
world,
key, then you'd
your
obviously
plan, and
submit
then
to a search of your cabin.
I do not
Our
have a
plan
cabin.
calls
I
for a
sleep
boat.
on the
'Cause
luggage.
we're going to ascend kind of
That's how you stole it. Give it to me. Give me the
And then we're
key.
going to go
Need I
vertical,
remind you,
as we get,
Plankton, that you
further out
are
to sea.
still a suspect yourself.
To build a boat large
I
and
mean,
glorious
give
enough
SpongeBob
would
back the
take
key.
I
about a
don't
week.
believe either of you.
week.
Shake him down.
I wonder how long it would take to second convict.
But for the gods, 3 days.
Nothing suspicious here.
If that's the best you can do.
Well, perhaps if
Except
you were
for the
not
fact that
burdened
you have
with
just
so
outed
much
Orin J. Ruffy, international fugitive wanted for the
I like it here.
embezzlement of over
Yep,
75,000
3
bucks
days is
worth
just
of
fine.
ham sandwiches.
No, 3 days is not fine.
After all this, I
This is
still
a
haven't
real-
found the key, and I broke my vow to Mr. Krabs. I don't deserve to work at the Krusty
Miguel, how are we going to keep this up for 3 days?
Don't worry, buddy.
You worry
I'm sure
too
it'll
much.
turn
No, I
up.
worry exactly the right amount.
Key!
Never worry too much.
Patrick, where in the
Just
ocean's
have
depths
to
did you find
lie.
it?
I
No.
found it when I was cleaning your shorts from your
This
little
place is
accident
amazing.
earlier.
I mean, I wonder what's
Well,
over.
great news.
Don't even move.
You're
moving.
Just
Hey, come on.
I get it.
Relate.
Stay.
Yeah, me too.
Just stand.
Me 3.
For 3 days?
Yes.
Exactly. For 3 days.
Oh,
Don't even breathe.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, hey! Would you mind scooching
All right.
over? I can't even move my...
Yeah, promise?
Sure you can relate.
All right.
Find it.
I found... I'm
Now,
sure
go.
it'll
Excuse
turn up.
Grab.
Close up for my God.
For 75,000 bucks worth of ham sandwiches.
And I think this might be a fun one.
You think this might be a fun one, right? Hey, does anybody have an umbrella? Because apparently Mary Poppins here is going to fly us up to the top of the cliff.
Go ahead.
I knew you'd be good for something. Better wait here, Henry.
So, what happened to Altivo?
Where's he going? I don't know, but that guy's...
Hey, what happened to Miguel?
Where's he going?
Oh my God! He's gone!
After all this, I
Miguel's
still haven't
gone!
found the
He's
key.
loose! What am I gonna do?
I broke my vow to Mr. Krabs. I don't deserve to work at the Krusty Krab.
Don't worry, buddy. I'm sure it'll turn up.
The key! Patrick, where in the ocean's depths did you find it?
I found it when I was cleaning
Big
your
trouble.
shorts from your little accident earlier.
Look,
Well, that
sweetheart,
is great
we're in the
news.
middle of a car.
Anyways,
Walking the razor's edge.
I'm gonna hit the sack.
On the one
I'm
hand,
pooped. I'm sure you can relate.
painful,
Yeah,
agonizing
me too.
failure.
Me
Can't
3.
afford anything. So, I'm sorry.
I don't know, but that guy's completely out of his mind.
Oh, I most certainly am.
Too bad.
It turns out the mountain to be is easy if you don't look into its eyes.
Sure, I trust you.
Okay, you get down, now.
Why would I want to get down?
Well, because Medicare doesn't cover old ladies falling off of giant bees. Get down.
Suit yourself. But make sure you're wearing swimming trunks when this place becomes the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, hey! Would you mind scooching over? I can't even move my eyebrows.
I'm trying. Sheesh, this isn't exactly a luxury suite.
Here, maybe I can help.
Fresh water.
What a cool view.
Where is everybody?
Yeah, have a better look.
Excuse me. Excuse me?
And thanks
Hey,
for the key.
Where is everybody? Excuse me. Excuse me? Hey, where is everybody?
They've been cleared from the streets, my lord, so the city can be cleansed.
It's a hell of my own.
As you ordered.
So this is not your doing. You love
Yes.
him. He knows that.
So the age of the jaguar can begin.
It's not.
As you ordered.
Hey, stop that. Hey, stand back. Sir, what are you doing? Stop that.
But my lord, anyone who disobeys your orders must be punished. Tekal Khan has made your commands clear, my lord.
Giving a lot of orders, haven't I?
Punished. As you ordered.
Seems I've been giving a lot of orders, haven't I? Here's an order.
Take the day off.
Are you all right?
Well, I guess he lost us.
Here.
You ready to call it a day, SpongeBob?
Oh, no. It's
It's
all
not.
right. Please.
Come on. Hey.
See you around, Zag.
Hey, Altivo. There you are.
The more I learn,
Can we fly
the
together?
more I see, the less the world impassions me. The hungry heart, the roving eye, have come to rest, do not apply. The frantic chase, the crazy ride, the thrill has gone.
This is amazing.
I step
Like riding stallions
outside.
across
I
the
believe in anything, were it not for you.
This is
Show
beautiful.
me by
Talk
just
about
existing.
paradise.
Only this is true. I love you.
Oh, man.
I love you.
About
Without
paradise.
question, I love
This is
you. I
beautiful.
believe
Talk
in
about
anything,
paradise.
were it not for you. Show me by just existing.
This is-
Only this is true. Oh, I love you.
This is not what I expected. Perhaps Lord Tullio will enlighten me. How do I look?
Oh, well, you...
Oh, shut up.